Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to see about the earth moving equipments. It is a common fact that we find a wide variety of construction machines on every construction site, which makes the construction job easy, safe and quicker. Here we can see the construction equipment industry. It has been classified into four: earth moving equipment, construction vehicles, material handling equipments and then construction equipments. In this session particularly we are going to see about what are all the earth moving equipments. These are listed here: excavators, loaders, skid steer loaders, motor graders, crawler loaders, backhoe, bulldozers, trenchers, motor scrapers, wheeled loading shovels. Depending upon the application, construction machines are classified into various categories. So in this lecture we are going to learn about the earth moving equipments one by one. So first we have to know what is the purpose of the earth moving equipments. It is used in the construction industry to shift large amount of earth, dig foundations and landscape areas. Many factors can influence the expected performance of equipment on a construction site. The factors influencing the equipment selection can be grouped into three categories. It may be based on the site conditions, the nature of works and the equipment's characteristics. So the first one is excavators. Excavating machines are one of the major items of builder's plant and are primarily used to excavate and load most types of soil. Excavators are heavy construction equipments which consist of a boom, dipper, bucket and cap on a rotating platform known as the house. The house sits atop an undercarriage with tracks or wheels. Excavating machines come in a wide variety of designs and sizes, but all of them can be placed within one of the three categories. So the first category is universal excavators. In this universal excavators, these machines are selected for high output requirements. Second one is purpose design excavators. These have been designed specifically to carry out one mode of excavation. Third one is multipurpose excavators. These machines can perform several excavating functions having both front and rear attachments. And then loaders. Loaders are one of the most common pieces of construction equipment and are used extensively to handle and transport materials, excavate earth, backfill and as a loading or hauling unit. It is a heavy equipment machine often used in construction, primarily used to load materials into or onto another type of machinery, which may be a truck or conveyor belt or feed hopper or rail car. Similar to the tractors, loaders can be tractive for maximum tractive power or wheeled for greater mobility. The next type is skid steer loaders. It is a small rigid frame engine powered machine with lift arms which is used to attach a wide variety of labor saving tools or attachments. The next type is scrappers. Scrappers are units designed to load, haul and dump loose materials. Scrappers are a type of heavy machinery which is used for earth moving. It is ideal for short hauls of less than a mile and for of highway work construction. The rear part of the machine is called a hopper. It can be lowered or raised to cut into the ground to collect the dirt. The collected earth can be moved and dumped according as this process is repeated. Some scrappers work in tandem with a bulldozer. In addition, the ability to deposit their loads in layers of uniform thickness also facilitates subsequent compaction operations. They are the devices to scrap the ground to load the materials to transport to the required distance. So these are the type of scrappers. Push loaded comes under single powered axle, tandem powered axle and in case of self loading, push pull, tandem powered axle, elevating and then auger. Graders. So these machines are similar in concept to bulldozers in that they have a long, slender, adjustable maul blade which is usually slung under the center of the machine. The main function is to finish or grade the upper surface of a large area, usually as a follow-up operation to scrapping or bulldozing. A grader also commonly is referred to as road grader, a blade, a maintainer or a motor grader is a construction machine with a long blade used to create a flat surface. So the main function is to finish or grade the upper surface of a large area, usually as a follow-up operation to scrapping or bulldozing. They can produce a fine and accurate finish. Here we can see the images of the graders. The maul blades can be adjustable in both the horizontal and vertical planes through an angle of 300 degree. The two basic formats of graders available are: first one is four-wheeled. In this, all the wheels are driven and steered, which gives the machine the ability to offset and crab along its direction to travel. And the second type is six-wheeled. This machine has four-wheeled in the tandem drive at the rear and two front tilting idler wheels, giving its ability to counteract side thrust. Next type is Cravler loaders. The Cravler loaders combines the stability of the Cravler tractor with the abilities of a wheel tractor. The introduction of hydraulic excavator diminished the market for the Cravler loaders because it was unable to match the excavator's lifting power and flexibility. And the next type is backhoe. Backhoe, also called a rear actor or back actor, is a piece of excavating equipment or a digger consisting of a digging bucket on the end of a two-part articulated arm. Here we can see in that image, they are typically mounted on the back of a tractor or front loader. These machines are suitable for trenches, foundations and basement excavations and are available as a universal power unit base machine or as a purpose designed hydraulic unit. So here we can see that image. The next type is bulldozer. These machines consist of a track or wheel mounted power unit with a molded blade at the front, which is controlled by hydraulic ramps. Many bulldozers have the capacity to adjust the mold blade to form an angle dozer and the capacity to tilt the mold blade about a central swell point. Some bulldozers can also be fitted with rear attachments such as rollers and scarifiers. So it is a Cravler equipped with a substantial metal plate which is known as the blade, used to push large quantities of soil or sand, rubber or other such materials during construction or any other work, and typically equipped at the rear with a claw-like device which is termed as a ripper, mainly to loosen densely compacted materials. And then trenchers. Trenchers or ditches, or they are sometimes similar to excavators in the sense that they penetrate the earth, breaks the soil and rock, and also remove those soil and rock from the ground. Trenches come into two types. First one is ladder trenches and second one is wheel trenches, which can dig trenches at speeds that other machines cannot compare it to. Here the excavating equipments are listed: backhoe loader, bucket wheel excavator. The primary function of the bucket wheel excavator is to act as a continuous digging machine in large scale open pit mining operations. And then compact excavator. The compact excavator's work group and blades are activated by hydraulic fluid acting upon hydraulic cylinders. And the next one is dragline excavator. A dragline bucket system consist of a large bucket which is suspended from a boom with wire roots. And then next type is long reach excavator, which is primarily used for demolition, skid steer, which we have already learned. And next type is steam shovel. Steam shovel is a large steam powered excavating machine designed for lifting and moving material such as rock and soil. The last one is a suction excavator and then auger. The suction excavator is a construction vehicle that moves the earth from a hole on land or removes heavy debris on land by powerful suction. The front wheel loaders are primarily used to load the materials. Auger is primarily used for a pile foundation in that cases. Hope you all understand what is the purpose of earth moving equipments and what are all the types available in the earth moving equipments. Thank you.